Good morning. Tina and I are getting ready to head out to Angola, Indiana to meet up with some YouTuber friends and to have our first very own battery died right in the middle of a sentence. Let's get loaded up, get the pups in the truck, and let's get going. Hello and good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
And Tina and I are standing on a pickleball court. We just bought our very first pickleball set, and we're gonna learn to play pickleball. So I'm gonna tell you now, if you ever wanna play us, you better start practicing now. We are in Angola, Indiana, and we are at Happy Acres Campground. And we're at the entrance, basically right there is the entrance to the park. We have a couple of pickleball, we have a pickleball court. We have the, what is that?
Where?
Volleyball. Oh my gosh. Volleyball court is all at the entrance of the park.
Yeah.
We're going to give you a quick run through the park and tell you about all the good things that you get here. And all right, so join us. Let's go. So again, here is the entrance to the park. It's a private road. It's gated. You get an individual key code to get in. As you make your way into the park, here is the dog park. I guess, well, there's some restrooms here. The laundry room is here. We need to go check the laundry room out real quick. I think this is just storage in the mechanical storage. Dog park is very clean. First of all, the entire park is amazingly manicured. I mean, it is really well done. All of this looks to be fairly new. I know we were here once before, and I know the dog park was here, but I think the fencing, I think this is all new. I know that's brand new. And all right, let's go check out the entranceway and move along. Yep, looks like it was correct. Maintenance equipment and stored firewood. And as you come in, you are greeted with all kinds of signs on which way to go. The signs are very well laid out, they're clear. Plus you have a map that's given to you at the store. Excuse me, not at the store, but at the camp, well, I guess it is, camp store. We are at site number 69, that is us over there. And we're gonna take a walk through here and show you the sights. So as I was saying earlier, the park is very clean. The staff is very friendly. We have been here before. We came here on our way to Michigan a few years ago as a stopover. And we were surprisingly thrilled.
So if you didn't have a camper and you had family, you wanted to come camping, these would be a great place to stay. Look at those. So peaceful right here underneath the shade. Look at the fishing pond. Look at that, how beautiful.
Most of these are your pull-through sites right through here. Actually, they may all, on this side of the park, are pull-through. Now on this side of the park, this will be the north side. There are a lot of full-time residents that live here. So I just had a wonderful conversation with a woman here that owned that Solitude. And she was telling me some cool places to go and stay in South Carolina. So I told her we might take her up on that. Oh, looks like we have a camp post right here. And I'm not going to spoil the surprise on who stays here. So if you're wondering why it's blurred out, that's because I don't want you to recognize them. But they are also camp hosts, and they are the reason why we're here. And in case you haven't noticed, this is a very friendly, dog-friendly park. There are lots of doggy bags and the cleanup stations scattered all throughout the park. So feel free to bring your furry friends and they will have a good time up here. Now we're gonna head up there in a moment. There are some other friends of ours up there that are here for the same reason. And that up there and maybe a few places over there near the disc golf course are electric only. There's no sewer hookup up there. So again, walking around, this is mostly your full-timers and long-termers, I should say. I guess they're full-timers. Good looking Brinkley there. That's beautiful. There's a handful of little ponds kind of scattered throughout the park. I believe they are fishable, but it may be a I think it's catch and release. All for fun type of fishing. All right, let's move on. There are several trails. Now, I have not yet been on any of these. The last time we were here and we were in the electric only section, we saw some trails. We may try to hike them. If so, we'll capture some video. But yeah, definitely there's some golf cart and pedestrian trails only. All right, moving on. Another good looking Brinkley. This is another reason why we're here this weekend. More to come, stay tuned. When I see these signs like this, that means swim quietly. All right, so we are nearing the front of the park. Right over here is I-69. Now, it's not terribly loud. When you get down towards the, the pickleball and the volleyball stations, you hear a little bit more road noise. And we're up front, or near the front, and we don't really hear too much noise. And the further away you get, I think, the less road noise you'll hear. But Tina and I absolutely love this park. Perspective where we are. So here's the entrance. Here is the dump station. So make sure you use it if you need to. If you're at one of the facilities that do not have full hookup, here's where you need to go before you leave. And we have just been challenged to a game of pickleball. So I've never played. Tina's never played. I don't know how this is gonna work out, but you know what? We're gonna take you with us for the first time ever. So here we go. So I'm gonna go and grab my tennis shoes. I'm wearing my hiking shoes at the moment. And grab our pickleball set. And we're gonna take a game on a pickleball. Wish me luck.
Today, we're gonna learn how to play pickleball. We're out here with those who glamp together, Joni and Mike. They're probably gonna beat us. So, let's go see how we do.
Okay, oh, here we go. No, here we go. We're trying to get truckers to blow their horn.
Joni,
we're gonna get a honk.
have mercy on us, okay?
Oh, I will. I mean, I am competitive, so
Uh-oh, we're in
there's
trouble.
that. Try to get a honk.
All right, we got our honks in. All right.
Are you ready?
Whoa, that was a good one.
Mike, have mercy on us. It's our first time playing.
It's only our third.
Look how pretty it is here today. Look at that. Look at those skies. Mike over there practicing. 3, 2, 1, go! Who's it gonna be? Whoa, David. Yeah. Wow, I'm impressed.
Okay, here we go.
Oh wow, I'm impressed, Mike. I'm impressed.
Just then.
Oh wow! Good job, good job, good job, good job. Great job, guys. Great job. Woo! Great job.